Now see the question from exercise 14.3. The temperature of a places for a week is given in the table below. Draw a line graph to represent the data. Okay. See, these are given and temperature given in degrees Celsius. So you have to first draw a vertical line and horizontal line. Okay. So on vertical line you have to write the temperature in degrees Celsius and horizontal line we take it days. Same here we take a scale 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 means 1 सेंटीमीटर कितना लिया है हमने 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 degree Celsius because this is the temperature degree Celsius. So we take 1 centimeter means 2 degrees Celsius and here we take a days. Again we skip one line. Okay, see one first line we skip, we write Monday, again one line skip, we write Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now we put the point. Okay, see here 23 degree. See here where is 23 degree? So between 20 and 40 जो मिडल लाइन आएगी वहाँ पे कौन सा पॉइंट आएगा 23. Okay, we put the point. Then 25 Tuesday. So we write here 25. Then Wednesday 22 degrees Celsius. Then Thursday again 25 degrees Celsius. Friday, see this is Friday. How much degree? 27. So 27 between 26 and 28. So between middle line we take 27 degrees Celsius. And Saturday 24 degrees Celsius. This is Saturday 24 degree. We put the point here. Then Sunday 26 degree. Where is 26? This is 26 degree. This is for Sunday. Okay. So we put the point here. Now by using scale you have to join all the lines. Okay, straight line. You have to draw only two dots. So this way we get the line graph. Now we join all the lines by using scale. In this way you get the line graph. Okay. So this is question number 1. Now see question number 2 is given below price per kg of onion from January to June for particular year. See here prices given January, February, March, April, May and June. And prices are given here. Draw a line graph for above data from graph. Find the price of onion in mid-May and mid-March. Now see how to find this. See here. We write draw a vertical line and horizontal line. In vertical line we draw a price. Okay. And here on horizontal line we take a month. January, February, March, April, May and June. And we write here scale. This we take 1 centimeter. See here 1 centimeter is 5 rupees. This is rupees per kg. Okay. So 5 rupees per kg. So write here 1 centimeter is equal to 5 rupees per kg. Per kg. Okay. We write this 5 rupees per kg. So in January, how much rupees? Rate of onion is 48 rupees. So 48. See here. Where is 48? See 40, 45. 45. Then we draw here. See here. यहाँ पे कितने लाइन है? Between 5 and 10. 10 लाइन्स है, स्मॉल स्मॉल लाइन. सो 2 लाइन मतलब 1. हमको क्या कंसिडर करना है, जो 2 स्मॉल लाइन दी है हॉरिजेंटल लाइन, उसको हम 1 कंसिडर करेंगे. सो 45 के आगे आपको कितने लाइन काउंट करनी है, 2 लाइन मतलब 1. 46, 47, 48. मतलब ये जो बिग लाइन दिख रही है डार्क कलर की, इसके आगे वाला 6. तो ये जो स्मॉल लाइन है यहाँ से आपको जनवरी. So we draw first line here 45. Okay, 45 तक फर्स्ट लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. This is then after this 2 line means 1 consider करना है. ये 46, 47 and 48. So we get point here. See, so we join this line. This is 48. Then 49. 2 lines means आपको क्या कंसिडर करना है, 1. बिकॉज यहाँ पे कितने लाइन है दोनों के बीच में, 10 लाइन्स है. तो 10 लाइन्स में हम 5 में डिवाइड करना है. ओके, तो 5 2 ज़ा 10 मीन्स 2 लाइन मिलके एक लाइन बनेगी. सो वी टेक हियर 6 लाइन्स, 2 2 4 and 6. नाउ वी जॉइन दिस लाइन, small line. Okay, we get here 48 rupees. Then February 52 rupees. Again this is 50 and 50 के आगे अभी कितने लाइन आपको लेनी है, 4. ओके, सो स्मॉल लाइन काउंट करनी है अभी. आफ्टर 51 and 52. तो we take this small line, we put the point here and draw line. This from February month. Draw carefully. This is so small. Okay, these are faint lines. Then we get here 52 rupees. Then sorry, 52 not 54. So we take only 2 lines. 50, oh sorry, right, यहाँ पे हमको 52 लेना है. तो 2 लाइन मतलब 51 52. दिस इज राइट. ओके ओके. देन इन मार्च 70 rupees. तो 70 rupees already is given. This is March. Okay, and this is 70. So we put the point here and draw this line. Then 60 rupees in April. This is 60 rupees and this is April month. So from this April up to 60. This is 60. So we put point here 60 and this is April month. Then 62 rupees. तो अगेन दिस इज 60 के आगे आपको कितनी लाइन कंसिडर करनी है, 2 मीन्स स्मॉल 4 लाइन्स. तो आपको यहाँ पे 4 लाइन्स लेनी है आफ्टर 60. दिस इज अप टू 60, 61, 62. So here we take 4 lines. This is 4 line means 2. This is so light. Then in June 58. Again same. After 55 we take 3 more lines. So here 3 means 6 lines आपको आगे लेनी है. Okay. So 58 you have to draw here 50. Now by using scale you join all the dots. Okay. Join all the dots carefully. See, we get this type of graph. Now what is the question? फाइंड द प्राइस ऑफ अनियन इन मिड में. मिड में कहाँ पे आएगा? बिटवीन मे एंड जून. तो ये आपका आएगा मिड में. तो कितनी प्राइस होगी मिड में? सी हियर, दिस लाइन वी गेट हियर, दिस इज मिड में. तो हाउ मच प्राइस? 60 rupees. तो राइट द मिड में. व्हाट इज द रेट ऑफ अनियन मिड में? 60 rupees per kg. Okay. And mid March. मिड मार्च, सी अगेन मार्च बिटवीन कहाँ पे आएगा? मिड मार्च में मार्च एंड अप्रैल के बीच में. तो दिस इज मिड मार्च. तो सी हियर अगेन वी गेट दिस पॉइंट. देखो यहाँ पे लाइन ये ज्वाइंट हो गई ये लाइन पे. तो हाउ मच रुपीज? 65 rupees. तो मिड मार्च कितना रेट है? मिड मार्च 65 rupees per kg. Okay. This is your answer. In this way you have to draw this graph in your graph book. Okay. Thank you.